Got something different for you today, guys. Got another rally car from Rlaarlo. This is the new XTS-P12. Comes in two different colors. We got the blue here. There's the red, which is the one that we've got. It's a 12 scale brushless, ready to run. Looks like an unlicensed VW Polo R. Lots of great features on this thing that we're going to go over. 50 to 80 kilometers per hour translates to about that 30-ish miles per hour. I'm at my son-in-law's place here in Maine for the 4th of July holiday weekend, but I was excited to get this car. I wanted to bring it out so that the kids could run it while we were up here. Let's open it up. I've been into it once just to see, just a quick look at it. Nice looking little rally car here. 12 scale, so this is the second rally car that we've had from Rlaarlo on the channel. We had the 10 scale, their flagship rally car, which was awesome. The thing is super tough and extremely fun. This is like a scaled down version of that here. So it does come fully ready to run. We get the car itself. We get this radio here, which is radio is nice. It comes with this big battery here, which is a big improvement over the typical double or triple A's. We'll go over the radio functions in a little more detail later. We get a bunch of additional stickers, which I have not applied yet. We get a wall charger, we get some tools, some differential gaskets in here. Inside the body, we do get a 3S LiPo battery, so this thing is ready to go. Let's start with the exterior on it. So we get this nice pre-painted Lexan body. It comes in the two different colors. There's a blue version that's available as well. Like I said in the beginning, this is kind of an unlicensed version of the Polo R WRC car. It does have some nice molded details on it. We got these mirrors, door handles, the wing in the back. Nice matte black multi-spoke wheels here. It does have fully functional lights, so we've got indicators, we've got headlights, we've got tail lights as well. To open up the body, so it's got these two little latches here that you pull up and rotate. And then the body comes off, pulls off like that. And you have to be mindful because the light module is on the roof in here, attached to your scoop on the roof. So I'm gonna unplug these just for demonstrations. There we go, so we can take the body off there. So underneath here, you can see the good stuff. Rlaarlo's done a good job with these rally cars. I really like they overbuild them so that they're tough and they last a good long time. So this thing, it's built on an aluminum chassis. It's got these cool graphics underneath here. Aluminum chassis. It's also got aluminum shock towers as well, which is nice. The shocks, these metal-bodied, oil-filled coilovers. Lots of travel on this. We've got a good amount of adjustability on the shocks themselves, but the action feels really good. Here we can see kind of in the rear passenger side, we've got that brushless motor. This is a 2845 size, 3600 kV brushless motor. Fast motor here. Powered by this 45 amp brushless ESC on the top. We've got the cooling fan there as well. LiPo battery on the side here. So we had a nice 2200 milliamp 3S LiPo that comes with it. The XT60 connector, nice battery setup. Got full metal drivetrain on this with rubber sealed ball bearings throughout. 11 kilogram waterproof servo right here. This is equipped with a gyro function. So that is adjustable on the radio here. So it's got the gyro button right here on the radio. You can toggle that on and off. The gyro, having the gyro function is going to be great for loose terrain. You can drift and slide this thing around. It's going to help with maneuverability there. You want to turn that off when you're on tar or really grippy surfaces. You're going to get nice handling that way. Also has the functionality here on the multi-position switch here. You can adjust the voltage on this. This is going to be great for the kids. I can turn this down and hand it over to the younger kids so they don't fully destroy it right off the bat. For myself and Axel, we can jack that thing up to 100 and get full power out of it. Lighting functionality on the controller as well. It's got a big foam pad in here for the front bumper to keep this thing protected. So overall, really well built, solid feeling little car here. Some quick demonstrations here in the basement. This is where the gyro is off. There's a lot of power to be inside. Oh man, this thing's gonna be a blast. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be fun. All right, here we are outside. This is gonna be a good spot for it to test here. I'm gonna run it for a little bit before the kids see it. Oh, this thing rips. Alright, let's turn the gyro back on. Just press and hold it. Oh, see, much better control with the gyro. Oh! This thing is a monster. Oh, I wish I'd brought the 10th scale one so we could race them around together. Man, this thing is a blast. It's so easy to control. I lost my right steer. I don't know if I got some dirt jammed up in. Oh, I can feel it's full of dirt. Right behind the steering there. You see that rock's jammed in there? To be mindful of that and this loose stuff. Out of here on some looser dirt. Oh gosh. It's fast. Like 3S on the thing. It's a lot of power. But I'm really impressed with the control. That gyro works really well. Just hold those slides. That's so much fun. Let's do a flyby here. Almost went in the ditch there. Oh, we went off. The body came unhooked for that fall. Oh my gosh. This is a lot of fun. 190 bucks for this thing. Big performance out of this. Our Rlaarlo builds them tough too, so this is going to be a lot of fun with the kids. Oh yeah, there we go. Holy cow. I'm having a blast with this little car. So far nothing getting caught up in the diffs or anything like that. Those all seem pretty well sealed. Just had that little bit with the rock getting caught in the steering mechanism there, but that's just been a one-time occurrence. I know I need to give it to the kids. I don't want to though. I'm having too much fun. Whoop. It doesn't have much clearance to go in the grass. Oh, I definitely got stuck there. There we go. Alright guys, having a blast with this little car here. Great job by our Rlaarlo. $189 for this thing. A lot of bang for the buck. Big performance out of this little rally car. I'm having so much fun. I don't want to hand it over to the kids, but I know I have to. One, I got to see how much it can take as far as punishment goes, although I've thrashed it pretty hard. but nonetheless, we'll give it to them and see how it holds up. But definitely a great option here for a smaller scale rally car. We've tried a bunch of these on the channel, and this is by far, in the smaller scale, this is by far the best one that we've had. So Rlaarlo continues to put out great models in this really competitive price range here. Great features on this car. So this is available now. I'll put a link in the description down below and where you guys can pick one of these up for yourself. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of this new rally car from Rlaarlo? All right, I'm gonna get back to having some fun, hand it over to the kids, but we'll catch you guys later. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video.